construction is going on. Tractor is behind me. Oh, ho, ho, ho.
Traveling to Zomduar, and this is the road condition during summer season, you can see, and it is interesting to have such kind of adventure. Wow. And during this season we get better greenery views of this jungle. Wow, what is this?
Zomduar guest house in Zomduar. It is run by Bodoland Tourism, government of BTC.
Wow, never thought that there would be such a beautiful Bangalore or guest house in the middle of the jungle. And see this unique style of this building. Wow.
Hello everybody, welcome to Zomduar. Actually Zomduar is a picnic spot in Kokrajhar district. This is around 45 kilometers from Kuchugao,
and this is also a famous tourist spot in Bodoland, Assam, India. Now let me go in. Wow, and now doggies are welcoming us. Ooh. Wow, very smart doggies. Oh, hoi, hoi, hoi.
And they have hosted us very well, that we are lucky enough also to have this fish of Sonkos river.
And straight away we are going to have our lunch now. With this one,
local chicken meat curry. It's time for eating. Sarah started eating already. This side Rupak bro dowsing that side, uncle and some.
And these are the amazing people of this place who have hosted us very well and given us very good food to eat. So I am very much thankful to these loving guys, brothers.
One thing bro, serving the lunch for us.
And here we are having our lunch together. After having a good lunch, we are getting out to explore more.
And now we are going out to explore more.
There is a picnic spot in Zomduar, but due to lockdown, this Zomduar picnic spot is closed now. So we are going to explore another place, a beautiful place called Phepsu. Let's go. And this is a journey to Phepsu. And here we can feel the village environment because we have to go through the villages to reach Phepsu. What a cinematic view it is. And traveling through the jungle is little frightening because it is a single road in the middle of the jungle, and this is leading to a beautiful place.
Hello everybody, welcome to Phepsu.
जायगा मोनसे ओरैबायदि मोजां जायगा आरोखिना फर पिकनिक स्पट आलासिफोर फैनायनि थाखाय स्पेशली फर बाहेरा जायगानिफ्राय फैनायनि थाखाय बेखौ फेपसु होननानै बुङो। आगोलनि मानसिफोरा बेखौ मा होनोमोन दाउजें गुन्थुं होननानै बुङोमोन आरोखि बे जायगायाव। सोरबाफोर जुदि फैनो गोसोबा ओरैबायदि मोनसे जिब जुनार नुयो, स्पटेड डियार नुयो, मैदेरफोरखौ नुगोन, ओमफ्रायहाय नोङो बिदिनो हर्नबिल आप एन्ड डाउन फुङाव फैबाय जानो इन्डियाव, बेलासियाव बिसोर थांफैबाय भुटानाव, बेबायदि मोनसे आप डाउन.
And you can see that side Bhutan, and this forest is Indian only, this jungle is Indian only, and we can go and visit there also, I think. What it is?
It's called Athiabari Range.
Athiabari Range.
This side is
Athiabari.
Sanpan.
This side Sanpan Range.
And this side Athiabari.
And this side is Athiabari Range. Very cool, and during hot summer this is also another good place to hang out. And we are just walking in the river here. With me Bro Rupak from Gosaigao. And bro, how did you feel after reaching this place? Though he is from here, it seems he's also first time.
I never visited this place actually.
Yes.
But I'm fortunate along with you all guys.
Yes.
I came along with my friend guide.
Yes.
From Eco Tourism.
Yes, yes.
And very fortunate and lucky to visit this place.
Yes.
and after coming here, I really feel that I'm born in this place.
Yes, we are very happy that this is in Bodoland, and this is another unique view which I got today after coming here in the place called Phep Su, because the river style is different, the view is different, roads are different, everything is different.
It's the calm before the storm. Things aren't as they were before. You best start bracing. Did you think you could keep us out? Shut the gates, forget us now.
We are walking ahead now to explore more.
Guess we keep the truth to ourselves. Maybe we're hypnotized. This is love.
And this Phep Su river is just 1 hour of drive from Kusugao, so you can come through Kusugao from the highway. Another stream here, see how it is flowing, and you can see the water, how clean it is. Really, there is no any pollution at all. Wow. See, Phep Su river, never heard. First time visiting here. Tired or what?
Barefoot, that's why I'm
Barefoot. Okay.
Very hotty sand. The sand is very hotty.
Yes. Because climate is also very hot today.
But it's better than rain, nah?
Yeah,
To
better.
make the video.
Yes. And by exploring different Indo-Bhutan borders, we have found that this is also really very worth visiting and very good place to explore and hang out.
Can you feel it wrapped around your soul with no control? You can't breathe.
And after exploring more and more, we are a little bit tired. Bro Warting is also resting. Warting Bosmutari bro is also resting here, and Rupak bro tired. So we are going to sit down a little bit, because here we are getting really a fresh air, cool breeze. Yes. So even you can see, wow, and see behind the landscape view that side, really beautiful. Hey bro, Mingmai nama?
Mingmai.
Acha, jerai da duse. Yeah. Our pilot is also tired. How is your experience here after reaching this Phep Su river?
Wonderful experience beyond expectations. Beautiful place here in India-Bhutan border. But this Phep Su river is in India only. We have to go a little more further if we want to see the India-Bhutan border. And this place is of Indian side only, so we need not to worry, and we are not crossing the border. And this beautiful place is under Kusugao division. This is under forest only, and it is approximately, I think, 25 kilometers from Kusugao town, National Highway 31. And this is under which range it was? I forgot. And this is under Sanpan range. So do come and explore this place, and the camping also will start from the month of September. Bro Wanting is organizing campings even in Jumduar and also in this Phep Su river. Definitely you will get to see so many wild animals here. But seeing wild animals depending upon your luck also sometimes, because it is not kept inside the zoo. You can come and watch anytime. So if you have a luck, you might see in a day, and if you don't have luck, maybe you will have to wait for a week or maybe for a month. All depends on luck, wildlife.
Yes. And even the road construction is going on. That is why we can see some tractors carrying boulders. Oh, there, road construction is going on. Tractor is behind me. Oh, bro, come. Oh. Hey bro, road construction going on, no?
Yeah.
Go bro, go. Oh.
This materials this will go on the road which connects to this
Place.
location
This location.
from Kochigong.
Yeah.
Which is around 25 kilometers. So all these constructions are to be done. So the materials which are needed are taken from this place only.
Yeah.
All the boulders, sands and everything.
Yes. So it's a very good news for the visitors, for the tourist lovers.
And because the season is coming.
Season is also coming, and very soon this place is going to start from the month of September. No, bro? Yeah. And advance booking is started or what, bro?
Yeah.
Okay, advance booking is also
I'll
started.
give your contact number.
Yeah, and you can contact to this number which is given on the screen to come and visit and explore this place.